In this case, the gear pump has vibration and noise. Check whether the installation is secure first. Fastening the ground corner bolts. Adjust the synchronization between the pump and the motor. Make sure the deviation does not exceed 0.0 nm. If the bearings are worn or lubricated insufficiently, bearings need to be replaced and adapted lubricating oil should be added. Reduces friction noise. When the gear kneading gap is abnormal, adjust or replace the gear. Eliminates bite noise. Air leakage in the suction pipeline causes momentum noise. The truncation should be sealed. Replace the broken pipe fitting. Discharge the air into the pump. The impurities in the ring can exacerbate the vibration. Filters need to be washed and rings filtered. The magnetic cylinder of the magnetic coupling is misaligned or isolated from the sound of the set. The secondary magnetic cylinder needs to be dismantled to repair the isolation sleeve. Check the pipeline finger sound regularly. Avoid earthquake supply. It can effectively reduce operating noise.